What's up, guys? Welcome back to my video series about Samantha, my 1991 Trans Am. You may recall in the last episode I was describing an issue I was having with my door locks. The other reason I got the door panels off is I'm working on the locking mechanisms on both doors. The lock on that is kind of janky. It doesn't work all the time. Sometimes it gets stuck locked or unlocked. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I fixed that problem I was having. Alright, so check it out. What I'm doing here is locking and unlocking my door. Notice I'm having to hit the lock button twice before that metal bar completely moves into place. See that extra quarter of an inch at the end? That's my problem. I figured the natural first step was to go directly for the latch itself. Now, generally speaking, you can clean these things while they're in the door, and I tried that, but it wasn't working. Here's a look from within the door. And there's that extra ½ inch. I'm having to hit the lock button twice before it's getting completely into place. I decided to remove the latch completely, and I naturally started with the 3 bolts on the outside of the door. And then on the inside of the door, there's basically 4 clips to take off. And there they are. That clip on the top right was tough to get to, so instead I actually removed it from the back of the lock all the way up there. Once I had it out, I was able to see that, yep, it was certainly very dirty. I brought it over to the workbench. I happen to have a plastic bowl laying around. And I basically just soaked it in some PB Blaster. I imagine brake cleaner would have worked fine as well. I just didn't have any around. And then I took a toothbrush and scrubbed everything. I got in all the nooks and crannies. I really focused on anything that moved. And as I was doing it, I was moving pieces back and forth. Just really ensuring that I was getting everything clean. Once I got it where I wanted it, it was time to put it back in. Obviously, it's just the reverse of removing it. The only thing I did different when I was reinstalling it is I did use a little bit of blue thread locker when I put those 3 outer bolts back in. And here's the test. You can see when I hit lock, it gets completely into place on the first try. As I hit lock again, it's really not moving at all. It's completely in place. And that's it. It's all fixed. If you're new to the channel, I really appreciate you being here. Why don't you go ahead and click that subscribe button there? I'd appreciate it. I sure would. I got a lot more Trans Am videos coming out. I'll see you next time.